This is Mike. He's a painter. This is Jessica. She's really into music. This is David. He loves playing games. This is Codey Rocky, their friendly coding companion. Codey is a standalone remote controller with more than 10 advanced electronic modules. Each module can be accessed by writing your own program. Rocky is the car that lets you take Codey anywhere you want. Every child is a born creator. Given the right tools, they can explore their capabilities and find their place in the world as innovators, engineers, scientists, and many other things. Codey Rocky's easy-to-use graphical programming language lets children explore their creativity in code by dragging and dropping blocks. He built a remote controller for his games. She programmed her remote-controlled car to avoid obstacles all on its own. Codey Rocky is all you need to make your ideas real through code. Make new use of your old Lego blocks with Codey Rocky. And even create music with Codey Rocky and your own code. Codey Rocky is a coding companion that helps children realize their ideas and by doing so, learn valuable coding skills.
I can design my own games.
I can make Codey Rocky play my music.